figured since I just wrapped up one, I might as well give y'all the other one. So here is my fit and sound demo test of the X8 TWS Bluetooth Earbuds. Alright, so we're going to do exactly what we did on the last video one more time. And yet again, we're using the front and the rear facing cameras on the Moto G7. Alright, so as we did before, y'all are going to hear a sound leakage test, and then y'all going to get a nice crisp extended sound sample. Alright, I've already physically maxed out the earbuds to 100% volume, which you can't really do because there's only one multifunction button on there, so it's all digitally controlled. And I've digitally maxed out the volume on my smart device to 100%. And now, here we go. We're going to go ahead and push play. And the first thing we're checking for is leakage. Alright, here we go. I gotta say, the volume on these is really good, and so is the clarity. If there was one downside to these, is that when I'm using them for workouts, they slip out of my ear often. So this is kind of something I only use for casual listening around the house. Nothing extraneous because they're not going to stay. But the noise isolation, the volume, the clarity, I was even surprised by the bass on these. So it's a good little pair of earbuds. Alright, so that was the leakage test. Now let me rewind the track. Gonna try and get these earbuds as close to the mic as possible. Give y'all a nice audio sample. So let me hold this up. I have no idea what you guys and gals are hearing. The noise isolation on these are just that good. Do it. Alright, let's pause the music. Now, I know some of y'all are probably wondering, why am I only using one? And that's because the other one is dead. I actually just put it in the charging case, so I got to charge it back up. So that's why y'all only saw one earbud in this video, but yeah. More on the battery life, charge times, and all that good stuff in the full review, but just wanted to point that out here. Anyways, that pretty much does it for this fit and sound demo test. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. If y'all did enjoy the video, y'all know what to do. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace, everybody.